Hi, I'm Dane Mosel, the marketing manager for Heston by Massey Ferguson and Massey Ferguson hay equipment. And behind me today is our new 1 Series Round Baler. We have it in both a 4x6, which is seen here, as well as a 5x6. This baler brings a lot of new content to the market for us. One of the big things is the new Camless pickup, and then our undershot feed rotor, which gives us a positive moving of the crop into the bale chamber. So we always have a good starting bale, as well as that we have positive feeding. So whether it's short rotary straw, long stemmy Sudan, those kinds of things, this baler will eat it. Here we have the 5-bar Camless pickup. So we are able to move crop off the ground and into the rotors with a system that's a lot simpler and maintenance free due to that there's no bearings and everything inside a cam track. So it's also a lot quieter system than a cammed pickup. And then once we go into the rotor, we can feed everything up into the chamber. And due to that rotor that has very heavy drives, that we can power things through and make sure that the baler feeds and gets started into the bale chamber. The next system that's really, really important is our net system. Because it's a front load, the operator gets to see it, as well as that it is very easy to load with our cradle net loading system. So this cradle load system, it is standard on the left-hand side for the model year 24 machines, and we have it as an option here on the right side. But they function in the same way, that you have the roll of net setting on this cradle, and you simply pull it out, and it will pivot around, and then we can load the net into the operating system up here where the pan and everything is at. After we've loaded a roll of net wrap up into the main pan here, it is as simple as moving the brake up, starting our net roll through the tension rollers, over top of the spiral roller, and into the duckbill. And then simply put the brake back down on the roller, and you're ready to go. The net system uses a duckbill mechanical that brings everything in, so that way we're applying that net straight to the front of the bale. And so we always, again, have a positive starting of the net, no different than when we have the positive crop feeding into the baler itself. There are a lot of options that we can add to this baler. We have scales, we have a hydraulic drop floor, we have automation that we can add for the tailgate, as well as that the electronics on this baler allow us to have tractor implement management functionality. So that means the baler can control the tractor. Mainly when the baler gets ready to wrap and eject a bale, it will stop the tractor, let the baler net wrap the bale or twine wrap it, and then eject the bale, close the chamber, and it notifies the operator that they are ready to go again. For any more information on this baler, please visit your local Heston by Massey Ferguson dealer or masseyferguson.com.